Good morning, guys. Okay, we're on widescreen. It's a function that I just found out about my camera, so sorry about being so close to the camera all this while. You're gonna get more of these right now unless I forget to change angle modes. Anyway, thank you for tuning in to the Alvin channel. We are back here again at the Changi Exhibition Centre. Yes, it's the Singapore Airshow 2020, and the last time I was here was 2 years ago because it's a biennial event. Let's go paint. Oh, just in case, evacuation assembly area. So the journey into this whole entire reclaimed area, very large by the way, took nearly an hour, yeah. But there's this shuttle service that's provided with the ticket. Yeah, it's just lovely to be back here again. Wide open spaces, lots of planes to paint. And because of the Wuhan virus, there are fewer people here this year. And I checked the weather. I actually made the decision to come only this morning. When I woke up, checked the weather app, and I realized that today will be more or less cloudy. So that's gonna help. I mean, there's gonna be a lot of UV rays, but I brought my sunblock. So yeah, so it's been really quiet, which is really good because everyone's concerned about the coronavirus, and it's perfect because there's really no one around, and it's wide open space. So that helps, and you guys get to see all these planes here. So the last time I came here, I made a sketch of this from over there, ink sketch. Let's go find a really nice shady spot to paint. So this is the game changer called the A400M. It's for airlifting operations, heavy and outsized load transport, also troop transport up to 116 troops. I'm back here at the same spot. This wing over here is providing shade for me for probably the next 1.5 hours. You can see it creeping up, but I'll try to attempt to work out that scene this time with the tower back there. Let's do this, guys. Does this carry?
91,000 kilos.
91,000 kilos. And how long does it take to refuel an F-16 when it's up there?
Okay, so an F-16 actually is a very small fighter. They don't take very much gas because they don't have enough capacity to take very much. So it's usually 5 minutes or less. But C-17, if they're really thirsty and they need like a lot of gas, yeah, it can take about 30 minutes.
In the air?
Yeah.
That's a long time.
Yeah, it's really
That's a lot of time. I'm in the private jet area. I think this will be my next project, to try to get one of these private air jets. So I can travel from country to country and meet you guys to run workshops, right? Yeah. Wow, Honda makes planes. So I think I painted this one the last time. I can't confirm that, but I'll head over to the front to confirm from them. Yeah, I think I remembered these things to cover the engines. I did paint this one 2 years ago. I think they're trying to control the number of people who can check out the insides of the planes because of the current situation. That looks like a contender. Yeah, it's a helicopter, but that thing, yeah, I have no idea how it works, but it looks cool. A lot of the stuff from the RSA, the Republic of Singapore Air Force, is cordoned off in this area here. I think that's an F-16. You can actually get quite up close to it. That is really funny. Okay, I guess I'm not painting this F-16D then. It's a really warm day today, guys, but I'll be working out one more painting, one more sketch for you guys. It's going to be the F-15 SG. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna pause here for a while and we're gonna get ready for the air show right now. So let's turn our eyes here. So the two teams that will be participating in the aerial display right now will be the team from Singapore and China. Time for another pause. This time is really important. I was sharing this tent with an ice cream guy. He left, but before he left, he gave me an ice cream to chomp on. I wanted to pay for it, but he was really nice. This is like black cane flavored ice cream, black candy, which is like gula melaka, natural, and it is almost like a bubble tea. Okay, I'm almost done with the painting, but I need to finish this before it melts in this weather, right? Yeah, so look at it. It's like that bubble tea that has raw sugar that trickles down. Anyway, cheers. Oh, there he is. 好吃，谢谢。 This is really delicious. It's very chewy. It's cold, right? And you need that in this kind of a heat. So good. Alright guys. Whoops. Yeah. Alright guys, I was just checking if this was on wide format. Alvin Mark here. The weather held up, the clouds were there. Yeah, the UVs were hitting down on me, but I found shade to paint under. Nevertheless, I think I was living up to my name. Got that 10. It's time to head back. 2 paintings took approximately 5-6 hours. There was a short break for no good bar lunch, actually 3. Time to head back to edit this so that you guys get to watch it. Everyone was really fun and encouraging. Now I just have to psych myself up. It's about 40 minutes out of this entire area because it's a huge area. So I'm gonna show some clips of the inside of the exhibition to entertain you guys, and this is how I'll be ending off this clip. Thank you for watching my channel. Hope you like my art. A lot more stuff coming up, so stay tuned. Ciao guys.